So guys, in the previous video we talked about agility as how it can create value in the procurement process. So in this video we would talk about reliability, which can create a value in your procurement process. So much of what is valued in business is reliability, consistent, basically consistently meeting expectations. So in every case it begins with the customer. Now, for example, think of a customer that orders an item on Amazon.com. Although not much conscious, though may go into the order, there are many unstated expectations that are set, including like the items will be delivered on the specified date on the order confirmation page. The another is that the item will match the photo which is displayed over there. The item characteristics will match the description, and the item will work properly. So basically, Amazon has grown to humongous company now because it consistently met these expectations order after order. So customers gravitate towards suppliers that are reliable. So if so, basically increased reliability equals value creation. If you have a reliable supplier, reliable response time, reliable supply in the given time period, obviously you're a reliable supplier, then obviously everybody will try to take care of you, and which is also creating a value for their organization. So in this case, procurement plays a huge part in many organizations reliability. When a supplier doesn't consistently delivers inputs on time, so it there are the cases that your organization will struggle to deliver outputs on time and cost effectively. So reliability plays a major role, or it creates a value in your procurement process if you identify a person or a vendor or a supplier who's reliable, so that you can even focus on your time and cost while delivering the product to your customer. So in this video we have a question for you, like what purchase product and services directly impact your organization's performance reliability to its customer? Means what are things are involved which can directly impact the reliability of yours to your customer. Got my point? Like if any raw material is not available, so your finished good is not available, that means it's not available to your customer. So what all purchase products and services directly impact your organization? You need to jot down them. The next question is that what opportunities exist for improving the reliability of the suppliers of those products and services? How you can maintain that, or how you can improve that? Okay, if the reliability of those suppliers were improved, what would be the impact on your organization's sales? In other words, what would be created from improved supplier reliability? What value you could create from them? That's the main reason we were talking about the reliability as a major factor of value creation in the procurement process. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like the video as well as subscribe the channel for more value creation procurement processes involved. And if you would like to share this video with any of the person who is in the same industry, I request you to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Nipun Channa signing off. Bye bye.